Holly, so guess what? Guess what came for you today?
What?
Birthday present. Not over there. Something new. Are you excited? Do you have any idea what it could be?
No?
Do you want to know what it is?
Yeah. I take it it's right there.
Is that it?
Maybe. Let's see.
Now wait, let's see who it's from. Let's see. It says shift to Angela Ponzio, but who's it from? Read up here.
Bevan Gamali.
So is that from Tito Lolo and Tita Bevan?
Yeah.
I bet it's a lump of coal because you've been so bad.
No.
No?
I don't think it is.
Check it out. Check it out.
We just got a letter. I just got a present.
Come, will you film?
It is not a letter.
Film. Let me help you, dude.
It's your first package.
All right, you finish it.
Yay.
I don't think you're going to like what's inside. It's a lump of coal.
I think I know what it is.
Don't say anything. Don't say it.
Stampy. No way. Spider-Man!
Yay! Do you love it? What?
I like it a lot. Now I could be Spider-Man.
Yes, you can. Oh, that's not a high five. That's a stomach five.